Howdy Hon, welcome back to the channel. This is Stephsgotit, and I'm Steph, and
I'm Marty.
all right. So we're standing in the kitchen because it's what time?
After 8.
It's after 8. It's probably 9 or 10, and it's date night. Our Misfit box order was due yesterday on Thursday, but because of the storm that's going on, it was delayed, and so we got it today instead. Well, today is date night, and we don't usually do these kind of things on date night. So, but of course the food has to be put away. So I opened it already and I was just going to put it away, but there were some cool things in it that I have never seen before and thought maybe you'd like to see them. So, and Marty really wanted to do a video.
Shall we move the box now?
So we'll go ahead and, if you're interested in Misfit Market, there's a link down below in the description bar that you can click on and you can get a discount, and so can I if you do so. And shout out to the people who've already used it. Thanks. And we'll get you showing what we've got. Okay, so Marty's going to move the box and we'll show you what we got. I did not order a lot from the pantry this time. Again, this is on the kitchen table. That's a cooler. That's my planter stuff, so ignore that stuff. All right. Do you want to start on that end or this end?
This end.
Okay. So we've got, you don't have to pick them up. You can just kind of, I mean, it's right there on the table. So 2 mangoes, 2 cucumbers. You see one is broken. 4 little potatoes. 4 lemons. What's in the boxes, Marty? Just pick it up and take it over there. 2 zucchinis, 2 squash. These are oyster mushrooms, and what I'm going to do with these is my friend Vel, who orders, is doing vegetarian, and she has been frying these up, double dip batter, and frying them and cooking them like that, and they're supposed to be like a vegetarian's version of what do you call them?
Meat?
What do you call them?
Like meat. You don't mean
buffalo wings, buffalo nuggets, or whatever you want to call them. This is one of the things that we thought were interesting. That you're going to hold that, or well, yes. This is one of the things that we thought was interesting. It's an eggplant, but it's a focus. There you go. It's a zebra eggplant. We had never seen this before, and we thought maybe you'd like to see what it looks like. So this is a zebra eggplant. I ordered another one of these Good Karma chocolate plant-based milk alternatives, chocolate, because I really like it, and I haven't seen it in the stores anywhere. So we got 4 of these boxes. Marty just opened them up for us. They are all tomatoes.
But different varieties of tomato.
Are they? He says they're different varieties. I don't know.
Because this one is marked Roma.
Okay, these are Roma. What is this?
This says it's a Tom heirloom.
Okay, Tom heirloom.
Oh, tomato heirloom.
Tomato heirloom.
It must be an abbreviation.
Okay, so you can see it's kind of green and it's kind of jelly looking. It looks really weird, like a weird science project.
So they claim both of these are Roma, and that's the science project.
Oh, here we go. Here's a label. This is a wholesome, just tomato. I don't know. Anyway, and those 2 boxes are Roma. And then this is new. I've never seen them send this out to us before. It's organic mini cukes, and they're on a tray. And I just hadn't seen that before. I hadn't seen them come that way before. What do we have over here, Marty? You don't have to pick it up, just point at it.
Oh, broccoli. Cranberries. Green onions. Spaghetti squash.
Look at the size of this puppy. This is a purple top turnip. Look at the size of it. It is huge. And these, I'm not sure what these are. but there are two of them. They look like little mice. I'm not sure what they are. I don't remember. I'll have to check my order. I didn't order a lot of stuff this time, and Marty's got something over there. While he's unwrapping that, I did order 2 of these Garden of Eden organic blue corn chips because they were at 99 cents a bag. And then I ordered this. This is Bonitos Dippers, twist of lime. So I thought those might be something fun to do for taco night. And then last but not least, Kimball's hot pepper jelly is what Marty was unwrapping over there. Tell them what's in it, please, because I can't see it.
Water, sugar, vinegar, red peppers, pectin, citric acid, and spices.
Is it?
That's it.
Okay. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our Misfit market order for February the, what's today? 5th. So it would have been our February the 4th order. So as always, we'd like to thank you guys for stopping by and watching the channel and supporting. And with that being said, do you have anything else?
Nothing else.
Nothing else? Okay. Well, remember, hon, if you are having a good day, help someone.
I must have a good day.
It's those small and simple things in life
That make life worth living.
Love and shimmies, babe. Be shimmying. Bye, y'all.